Managing sensitive student data is challenging, and that's why GAT Unlock offers the most secure workflow solution for schools, ensuring full control and compliance. Built as an add-on to GAT+, GAT Unlock enhances security for your school's Google Workspace, ensuring all administrative changes are secure and compliant. Execute bulk actions on files and folders across multiple owners. And silently delegate email access, enhancing your security without notifying users. With every admin change requiring security officer approval, Unlock ensures the highest level of security and compliance for your school. Remove phishing emails across your entire organization within seconds. Manage bulk file ownership changes, and securely access drive data, all while staying compliant with GAT Unlock. Gain silent access to files and emails without the owner's knowledge, essential for security checks and compliance reviews. With the pre-approval feature, security officers can configure GAT Unlock for seamless secure admin operations. No individual approvals required. Simplify security management and improve efficiency. GAT Unlock is a must-have tool for every Google admin with Google Workspace for Education. Seamless, compliant, and secure. Request your demo today and experience the power of GAT Unlock.